Welcome back to another episode of the Electrician's Tool Channel. Tonight going to be a special video, y'all. We're going to do an exclusive on uh, HT Instruments. They sent me this stuff here, which you see before you, to review. And when I spoke to them, I told them to give them my unbiased review, which I always do. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. So we're going to do just that. And HT Instruments, some of you may be familiar with that name. Some of you may not be familiar with that name. But I've seen a few of their videos on YouTube, and I just so happen to own one of their products. It's the M70 ISO test. It's an installation tester. I did a review on it already, and I was really pleased about it. So I guess they saw my video, and they decided to allow me to review some other things for them, and I took them up on that. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, I'm just going to be an unbiased review, and I'm going to give you the truth as always. And before I get started, guys, as always, I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you did already, I want to thank you for hitting that subscribe button to help support the channel. Or if you like the video please hit that like button that's underneath the video. And if you've seen any other videos that I make that you like, also go back and hit that like button. All that is for free, guys. It's for free. I'm doing this for free. And I actually got to show some support and help to support the channel so I can continue going on with these videos and they won't take the videos off of YouTube. I'm trying to help out as many people as I can. And this video is geared toward everyone, but I'm speaking to the apprentices out there, guys who just coming in the field. I'm trying to give them some direction of some tools and all that they might see and might can use. But this video mainly is for everybody. This is, like I said, this is an exclusive from HT Instruments. So we'll see how they tools fare out. All right, so this one right here to your far left is their HT. This is the box that came in. So let's just get right to it. Hold on a second. This is the box that came in. So this is HT 100. It's an automatic 200 amp AC clamp meter. The features it has, I'm gonna let you take a look at it before I start reading it off. You can stop the camera whenever stop the video whenever you choose if you want to read it in the slower. But it's true RMS measurements, AC DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC current up to 200 amps, has resistance, continuity test, diode test, integrated AC voltage detector, automatic measurements detection, 9999 points LCD display. It also has data hold. It has auto power off. It has backlight. The maximum diameter for the wire size that you'll be able to put between here is 16 millimeters. Compliance with IEC/EN 61010-1. Also category 4, 600 volts. Category 3, 1000 volts. And this is their meter. Okay, HT Instruments is headquartered in Italy. For those of you who don't know, that's the website right here. Just in case you want to visit their website, I want to give a shout out to HT Instruments for sending this to me, and also I want to thank one of their engineers, Jack Brand, who I've been speaking with, and he, give him a shout out as well. Peace out, Jack. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Again, this is the HT 100. Just holding it in my hand. It doesn't feel. It feels kind of light. It feels light. It feels solid. I tell you that much. It does feel solid. It takes two AAA batteries. I'm sorry, two AAA batteries to run this, and it's fairly nice. It has an automatic voltage detection. It must be really sensitive because this wire, I got it plugged in for that reason. I'm this far away and it's lighting up. So it got to be really sensitive. As I get further away from it, I'm thinking that it will go off, but I have to bring it way past me to make it go off. That's a good thing and it's a bad thing because I mean, I like my stuff sensitive. I like it working properly. But sometimes when you get those non-contact voltage detection, whether it's ones with the little wand that you have in your hand or it's one like this, they tend to be too sensitive sometimes. At the slightest touch of your hand, you can make it go off. Well, I can't do it now, but I can't. It's not going off now, so I'm far away from it. But I'm gonna as I get closer, you can see what I'm talking about. It may come back on. Okay, I'm getting into the field. Okay, I'm getting into the field, electromagnetic field. So it comes back on again. So it's sensitive. That's I guess it's your opinion. You like it. I really don't like it like that, but okay. But this is the it has all those features, and I don't know how much it costs, but I mean, I can use it. I can find a place to use it, but I can find a place to use something like this. But yeah, it's on a scale from 1 to 10, guys. I would rate it. And then hold on a minute. Let me see. Let's do the leads too while I'm at it. Okay. Now the leads. No, the leads are garbage to me. The leads are real cheap. So I'm not going to do a review except just tell you it's cheap. They say it's rated for Cat 2 1,000 volts, but then there's no way in the world I would try this at 1,000 volts. But anyway, get you a good pair of leads, and from the way it looks, you can put them in here, I guess, when you're testing. Hold on a minute. Anyway, that's how you would put one of them when you're testing, and hold the other one in your hand when you're testing. But anyway, this it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I can see myself, if I didn't have one and I needed one, I can see myself purchasing that one. It has a lot of features on it that I can use, and plus it's true RMS. You better seldom catching the true RMS. This is the little bag that it pouch come with. This is a standard pouch that you normally catch on the market with a lot of other meters. It's nothing special about this. Just a nice little pouch that comes in. So, I mean that's okay. That's okay. But the leads are garbage. Now, this next instrument right here is the HTF 3000. This has a category rating of 600 volts. Category 4, Cat 3, 1,000 volts, and 3,000 amps. Well, they don't have a place to plug in your leads, so it's just an amperage. They just read amperage measurements, and it feels good. It feels good. Flair makes one like this. I never held it in my hand. I just saw it online before. It makes one like this. They all kind of look alike. I don't know if this is a rebrand or not. Maybe you guys can tell me if it's a rebrand or not. But it do feel good in the hand. That's the warning that they have on the back, y'all. All that up there. Okay, and but it also has a backlight. Let me just turn the lights off for a minute and let you see. This is the backlight right here, and this is another backlight right here. This backlight here is much brighter than this one. So I'm pleased with that. This is really nice. And guess what? I've seen a lot of stuff that's they make more than this. I've seen some real nice stuff put out by HT Instruments. Check out their website. You might find something on there that you like. But they make some, what I've seen on there, they make some real solid stuff. Like I said, these leads, well, I don't know how much this meter here costs, but nowadays you can expect cheap leads with most manufacturers. When they sell kind of low price meters, you can expect the leads to be cheap. So, that's common. Anyway, This is the F3000 by HT, and this is pretty solid also. It opens up like this. You put this around the cord, whatever cord you're measuring, and there you go. And this is their multimeter. This multimeter, if looking at it, this is a rebrand. So it's a rebrand by, who else rebranded this? I think Peak Tech, Amazon, let me see. Amazon, and a company called CEM makes them. Amazon rebranded this meter. Southwire, I want to say, I think Triplet also, I believe. Okay, but you know, if you, but it's still a solid meter. I really, you know, I like it. I like it. It has a nice backlight on it, but it's not as bright as the others. But you know, it's okay. This is not one of the higher, one of the more higher type meters that they have. And looking at the backlight, it's not all that bright, but you know, it's nice and bright, nice big digits, and it has the features it has. Let me turn it on. It has hertz. It has duty factor. It has volts DC, volts AC, hertz. They have the off. They have continuity. They have capacitance, diode, resistance, and ohms, and Celsius and Fahrenheit for its temperature. So it's, you know, plus it's true RMS. So it's a pretty decent meter, and it takes a 9-volt battery. What I hate about that battery, this is not the kind of 9-volt that you just sit inside of a cradle with the two connectors that's just made into the case. No, they have the two wires on here with the little cap. I hate those kind. But other than that, it's a pretty solid meter. It's a pretty solid meter, you know. But just keep in mind that it's a rebrand. But you know, I don't know the price on this either. But it's a pretty nice meter. I would say it's a pretty nice meter. The leads that come with this is this, and I think these leads are okay too. It's better than the ones that just came with this one. These leads are really nice, much better. They're not. They have the protective shroud right here, and the model number is TL88-4, and they're rated for 10 amps. So they're not PVC. This is like a PVC type material. I would say they are like a silicone, but they're not the best of the silicone. I guess that makes sense. But they're okay. They're okay. They're much better than those, and they are. I would use them. I would use them. So, and this is their K-type thermocouple adapter with the thermocouple right here, and you know, that's that. Now, this is a line splitter. It's a line splitter, and I already told you they make them like this. This is a pretty big one compared to the ones that's out already, like this. But I make my own, which is this, and I prefer my own. Then I don't have to worry about ×1 or ×10 and all that stuff there. But you can still use it. It's still good to have. But it's kind of, I'm looking at how big it is. You know, I mean, I would have to justify why would I need something this big. It's well made. I'm gonna tell you that much. It's well made. It has a 120 volt NEMA plug on it, American-made NEMA plug, and it's well made. The cord is nice and thick. But I would have to justify why I would need something this big just to take an amp drawer, you know. So, you know, I don't know, but it is well made. It is well made. But if I had to buy one of these and I didn't know how to make my own, now you do. I would have bought a small one like this. But you don't have to, you know, if this confuses you, the ×1 or the ×10, you know, make your own and you just get a single reading. Now, what else I wanted to show you? I'm going to show you something just to do a few measurements with these amp meters right here, and we'll see how well they compare against one of my other meters. See just how accurate it is. I have my iron here, and I'll plug my iron up here, and that way we're going to, hold on, make sure it's off first, and we're going to plug that sucker in there. And I want to see just how accurate that it is compared to this fluke here. I hope you can see that, guys, that fluke. Maybe I'll put it a little closer. Let me see. I hope you guys can see that number on there. Okay, so, and I'm going to try this one. Put this one in there as well. And we'll see just how accurate these things are. Okay. And then I'll even try it's supposed to be off, but it wasn't. I don't think it was. Now it's off, I think. Anyway, I smelled it. That's why it was coming on. Let's put that. I'm gonna have to hold this in my hand, guys. But anyway, let me do this. We're gonna turn it on, and we'll see just how accurate it is. 1 second. Let it cool down a minute. Okay, saying 10 amps on here, 10.3, 10 point, hold on a minute, I just had it. It was just, something I did wrong, guys. It was just reading 10 amps, and I moved it and it went away. Let's try it again. 1 second. Bear with me a minute, guys. All right, let's try it. Saying 10 amps right there. Let's try this one. This was saying 11.1, 11 amps. Now I'm saying 10.9. It clicked off, so I don't know what's going on with the iron. But anyway, it showed, I don't know if you saw that, but it showed that it was on 10 amp, both of them. So it's working okay. It's working good. Get this out the way before I burn myself. The only thing I can tell you guys about HT Instruments, I am pleased with it. I am pleased with them, and I think you guys need to just check them out. Go to their website and check them out, and and see if they have something that you can use. I know there's a lot of things out there, a lot of companies that are making meters nowadays to choose from, but sometimes you run across a company that have something that catches your eye. But I am, so far, I am pleased with this little meter. I mean, with what I've seen, with all of this stuff here. I am pleased with it. So, guys, don't want to hold you long. I appreciate you guys allowing me to take up your time. I hope that you found something here that you might like. Just check the website out. The website again is let me see. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the website. Go there, see what they got, and we'll go from there, y'all. So that being said, guys, take care, and peace out.